Hi, in the past two videos I talked about symmetry in Procreate. One was for making mandalas and the other one is for isometric illustrations. So today let's check what other symmetry options we have in Procreate. Let's open the canvas, go to settings, drawing guide. We have the typical 2D grid, and this grid is good for very technical, or if you want to also do a lettering, is awesome. I will put in the link other sheets for lettering, all for free to download. But for starting, you can create your own lettering grid starting from here. We're gonna do that soon. So last time we checked symmetry and isometric. Later in the next video I want to talk about perspective, but so far let's do some work with the 2D grid. With this I help myself to do lettering, and what I like to create is my own grid. So I choose normally the typical monoline brush that comes with Procreate, and click on the layer and drawing assist. Here will allow you to move horizontally or vertically without pressing. If you pressed fully, then you will lose that drawing assist. So basically drawing assist is for this, for like no matter. Let me show you. If I take it out, I mean, you can practice doing this a lot. I mean, I did when I started drawing, but let's face it, for everyday drawing and for jobs, it's not that nice. And when you're getting used to also to change from paper to the screen, it's completely different texture. Even though I'm using for now what is for me the best film is down in the link. It's called Paper-like, and for me so far is the best because it really looks like paper, but it still is not paper, pen and pencil. So for creating these grids, what I do is click drawing assist and then create the grid for writing. Let's say I want this width and the X height. Let me write here another layer with no assist. X height and for the X height of the letters, if you want a high X height, that will be the height of your lower letters. Let's say I want it high, so that means that if I do, let's say where is lettering? Okay, lettering here. Let's see, I use, I know I have plenty here, I don't know which one to use. Okay, let's do this one. Let's say I want to do the X, it's called X high because it's normally the high. Sorry, I have the drawing assist. Let's do another layer. So basically that means that your X will be this high. It means all your lower letters, lowercase letter will be here. Okay, and let's create something really easy. Let's say just really simple, just to show the grid, and that's it. You can create multiple grids with these. There you go, and it will allow you to play with the grid. So that it is all for today. You can create any shape. As you can see, I tried to go to the corners and I can't because of the drawing assist. Okay, so this drawing assist is awesome to create pretty symmetrical or assisted drawings, for example, for drawings, I don't know, you want to draw boxes, cities, or help you out with some guides. It's really awesome. Also for scaling, like old school learning technique of scaling. Let's import something. Insert a photo. Let's use this cat. Okay, so for scaling, for example, you can create, right? You can help yourself with the grid, like, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You create the same space here, and I started like topping square by square. I did that a long time ago to help the eye to adjust to the scales and to have fun drawing too. Like, it really helps you to build confidence in drawing. This is really crappy right now, but I guess you get my point. So you can use these also to help yourself getting better in drawing. So I hope you like today's tutorial or today's review of the tools for canvases in Procreate. Give me any comment of whatever you want to see next, or if you want me to draw with you anything in the iPad. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!